All right, so for this one, it says which equation matches this graph? So let's remember, you can almost do this without looking at the equation, but let's remember that if we say f of x equals a sine of b times the quantity x minus c plus d. So the first thing I notice is that it looks like that the midline is y equals 1. So that means that we shifted up. So what does the normal sine function look like? Well, if I were to say g of x equals sine of x, the parent function, that goes from 0 to 1 and it has a period of 2 pi. So it goes from -1 to 1 and it has a period of 2 pi. So to look like this is what the parent function looks like that sort of. So that got shifted up 1 because the midline here is the x-axis. So that got shifted up 1. What does that mean? Well, that means that d is equal to a positive 1. Also, the period changed. The period for this thing is 4 pi. So if you recall, the period is 2 over pi divided by b. That is equal to 4 pi. Now this is interesting. We can solve, in other words, this red line, it takes 4 pi to complete the cycle. So to solve for b, I just cross multiply the proportion and I'll get 2 pi over 4 pi equals b. So the pi's cancel, 2 over 4 equals 1 over 2, so b equals 2. Now there is no horizontal shift, so c equals 0. And then the amplitude is a. So to go from 1 to 3, that means that a is equal to 2. So if I were to write this out, I could say y equals 2 times sine of 1/2 x plus 1. Plugging in a, b, and d. Oh, there it is right there. That's it. That's all you got to do for that one.